Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to delete a shared post on Facebook. So let's begin the video. I start by opening the Facebook app and go to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture at the top of the page. Find the shared post. Scroll through your timeline to locate the post you have shared that you want to delete. You can also use the activity log in your profile settings to quickly find recent posts. Once you have found the shared post, tap or click the three dots in the top right corner of the post to open the options menu. In the drop-down menu, select Move to Bin. If you choose Move to Bin, the post will stay in your trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted and giving you the option to restore it. If you want to delete it right away, go to the bin and select delete. Now confirm the action and the post will be removed from your timeline. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.